The Royal Malaysia Police dismantled 3 drug distribution syndicates in a series of raids across the Klang Valley from January 30th to February 3rd, seizing drugs worth 208.25 million ringgit. Bukit Aman Narcotics Criminal Investigation Department Director Datuk Hussein Omar Khan said the leaders of all 3 syndicates were arrested, along with 9 other members.
In the first operation on January 30th, police arrested 3 local men aged between 40 and 48 while they were in a car at the Genting Sempah Rest and Service area at about 10:50 p.m.
Satu pemeriksaan telah dibuat ke atas satu kereta jenis Honda HR-V di tempat letak kereta sekitar Jalan Kuchai Lama, Brevis, Kuala Lumpur, dan telah merampas sebanyak 255 bungkusan disyaki dadah jenis methamphetamine yang anggaran berat adalah 265 kg. Jumlah keseluruhan dadah yang dirampas ini dianggarkan bernilai 13.25 juta ringgit Malaysia.
The first suspect arrested was believed to be the syndicate leader, while the other 2 acted as transporters bringing drugs from the east coast to the Klang Valley for distribution. In a separate operation in Kepong on January 31st, police arrested a local man, a local woman and a foreign woman, seizing various drugs worth 180 million ringgit. In the next operations, police arrested 6 individuals for their involvement in distributing suspected cannabis buds overseas. All suspects have been remanded until February 9th, and the cases are being investigated under the Dangerous Drugs Act 1952.